Hey everyone, if you're having internet problems on your Windows 11 PC, like slow speeds, websites not loading, or even no connection at all, don't worry. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your network settings in Windows 11. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to fix weird connectivity issues. All right, let's jump right in. First, click on the Start menu and then select Settings. You can just press Windows I on your keyboard to open settings directly. Once you're there, on the left-hand side, click on Network and Internet. Then scroll down a bit and click on Advanced Network Settings. Now you will see several options, but what we're looking for is Network Reset. Scroll all the way down until you find it and click on it. On the next screen, you will see a message telling you exactly what this reset will do. It will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set everything back to default settings. So yeah, it's a fresh start for your network setup. Before you continue, just keep in mind this will disconnect you from Wi-Fi networks. So make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy to reconnect later. All right, once you're ready, click the Reset Now button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just click Yes. After that, Windows will schedule a restart in about 5 minutes. You can either wait or go ahead and restart manually to speed things up. Once your computer starts, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Most of the time, this reset will fix DNS problems, IP conflicts, and random internet dropouts. And that's it. Super simple and really useful. If your internet is working now, go ahead and give this video a like and maybe subscribe. And if you're still having issues, let me know in the comments and I will try to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.